Today we will make a face mask using lemon, which is a powerhouse of vitamin C and many antioxidants. Usually, when we want skin whitening or remove dark spots, we use lemon as a homemade remedy many times. We also know how beneficial vitamin C is for our skin. It helps in increasing the collagen of our skin, which is essential to reduce wrinkles and fine lines. To make our face pack today, we are taking 2 to 3 spoons of lemon juice. You can also use lime. They both are same basically. Now we are adding raw honey. Honey lemon face mask is well known to us already. Since lemons are slightly acidic, many people's skin may be a little bit irritated. So we are adding 1 to 2 spoons of honey with that lemon juice, which will also be beneficial to moisturize our skin. Now we will add gram flour like 1 spoon. It exfoliates our skin by eliminating dirt, pollutants, acne scars, and dead skin cells. Now mix all the ingredients very well. You will get a creamy texture. Then apply it on your face and wait till it dries. It may feel sticky, but don't worry. We have used it already and it gave us really good result. Hope you will love this too.